In today's class, we will solve 10th Maths Triangles exercise number 2.1, question number 1. The whole exercise 2.1 is based on congruent and similar. So first we see the concept of congruent and similar. Always confused between congruent and similar. Today we will give some tips and tricks to identify congruent and similar figures. Here two figures are there. In these figures you have to see first the shape of the figure. Here the shape of the figure is same. Next we have to see the size of the figure. The size of the figure is also same. Then these type of figures we call congruent. For congruent figure, shape should be same and size also be same. For congruent figure, shape and size of the figure should be same. Let's go to similar one. Look at these figures. These two figures, first we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is same. Next we have to see size of the figure. The size of the figure is different, or one is bigger and another is little bit smaller. Then these type of figures we call similar. In similar, the shape should be same and size should be different. Now look at these two pictures. First we have to see shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is different. Next we have to see the size. Size is also different. Then this type of figures we call non-similar figures. Like this you can identify the similar figures and the congruent figure. Let's go to our question. Our question is fill in the blanks using the correct word given in a brackets. First, all circles are dash. In bracket, two option is given, congruent or similar. Here we have some circles. What we have to see first? The shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is same. Next one is size. The size of the figure is different. So we can say that circles are similar. All square are dash, similar or congruent. Here some squares are there of different shape. First we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is same but the size of the figure is different. We can say that squares are similar. Okay, next one. All dash triangles are similar. Isosceles triangles or equilateral triangles. Here some equilateral triangles and here isosceles triangles. First we have to see the shape of the figure. The shape of the figure is same but the size of the figure is different here. So equilateral triangle is similar. If we see in isosceles triangle, the shape of the triangles are different. So we can say that equilateral triangles are similar. So write equilateral here. Next, two polygons of the same number of the side are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. We have to fill equal and proportional in these two dashes. Here is two polygons which are similar and number of sides are equal. Here number of sides are 5. So first we have to see corresponding angles. So first we see angles. See, angles are equal. Angles are equal. We can say that their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So this is the first question of 2.1. In next video lesson we will solve question number 2. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel. Thanks for watching.